Yeah, okay, it's on right now. Hey everybody, this is a backyard up in New Braunfels, Texas. Guess what this is? It's a 928. It's a 1979. It belongs to a friend of mine, Allison. Hey, Allison.
Hello.
Hey, this was her car. She inherited it from her dad or grandfather. I don't know all the details yet, which is fine. But they worked on it because there was a fire apparently. I guess her dad or somebody, they stripped it down, they got it ready for repaint, and then it sat around. Family moved around, and Allison and I met about 3 or 4 years ago, I think.
Yeah.
And I don't know, where did we meet? How did we meet? Was it through
I found you on Facebook, the 928
Facebook?
page.
Yeah,
On Facebook.
that's right. And Allison came over.
To your new shop.
The new shop, I had just moved in. Hey pup. Hey dog. Oh yeah, nice dog. Yeah. So I just moved in. Allison came in, and she wanted to just meet me and talk about 928s and see what I was doing. And the shop was really messy. It was 3 or 4 years ago, and Allison called me up out of the blue the other day, and she goes, "Hey, remember that car? We want to get back on it." So here I am. So I think what we'll do is early this next week, I'm going to pick this car up, and her objective is to get it back running, and of course painted with a service, wheels and brakes, wheel bearings, clean it up, make it nice, put it back together again. Apparently all the parts are here. They're in boxes and totes. She has new wheels. They look like turbo twist wheels or cup wheels. I think they're cup wheels from what she said. But it's a 79. Look at this. No sunroof, and it does not have the Roger box. It has a manual transmission, and it has 40,000 miles. Unbelievable. Fantastic. What color did you say this was, Allison?
The gunmetal gray.
Gunmetal gray.
Along those lines.
It kind of looks black to me, but it's hard to tell. But wow, what a beauty. What a beauty. So 2.5 minutes is ample. So I say choose.